Welcome to The Explainer. I'm so thrilled you're joining us today because we are breaking down an absolutely proven blueprint for scaling e-commerce stores. If you've ever felt the sheer frustration of running an online storefront that just isn't living up to its real potential, well, you're going to want to pay super close attention to what we have lined up for you today. We're pulling directly from a highly effective framework known as the Shopify Conversion Blueprint, and we're going to systematically look at how to turn your everyday traffic into actual measurable profit.
Hundreds of daily visitors. Imagine staring at your own Shopify Analytics dashboard right now. You're getting the visitors. You're successfully driving hundreds of people to your store every single day. You've done the really hard work of getting eyeballs on your brand, and honestly, it feels like you're right on the very edge of massive success, doesn't it?
But then you look over at your sales column, and it just says zero conversions. Your Shopify store simply doesn't convert. It's an intense, incredibly familiar frustration for so many store owners. You know, you've probably tried tweaking the prices, you've tried running totally different ads, you might have even completely redesigned the store from scratch, and still, crickets. Well, I have a somewhat hard truth for you today. Traffic isn't actually your problem. If people are showing up, your marketing is working, but if they aren't buying, your offer is broken. In this explainer, we're going to diagnose exactly why that is before you waste another single dollar on ads.
Okay, let's really dive into this. The actual issue here is what's known as an offer market mismatch. See, a lot of store owners mistakenly believe that low sales automatically means bad traffic, but they're wrong. Your product might be absolutely fantastic, super high quality, solves a real need, but if your page fails to instantly communicate that value to the market, it just doesn't matter. The value completely gets lost in translation. Now, the timeline we're working with here is brutally short. 8 seconds. Literally, that is the incredibly brief window you have before a visitor just bounces right off your page. 8 seconds to make your entire case. If you don't instantly communicate the value we just talked about, they're gone. So what exactly is happening during those crucial 8 seconds? Let's break down the rapid-fire, entirely subconscious dialogue flashing through your visitor's mind. The very first question they ask themselves is simply, can I actually trust this store? Look, consumers are smart, and they're super cautious. If your site looks at all unprofessional or it lacks clear credibility, their guard goes up immediately. Trust isn't a bonus, it's the absolute baseline for any transaction online.
So if you manage to pass that initial trust test, the second critical question buyers need answered immediately is this product actually for me? They're basically looking for themselves in your messaging. They need to know that this isn't just some generic item, but a specific solution to their specific problem or desire.
And finally, question number 3. Why should I buy right now? Human nature kind of defaults to procrastination, doesn't it? If there's no compelling reason to complete the checkout process today, they'll just tell themselves they'll come back later. And we all know later usually means never. If your store doesn't answer all 3 of these questions, trust, relevance, and urgency, right there in the very first fold of your website, before they even scroll, you have already lost the sale.
Section 1. The 3 silent killers and how to diagnose your store's disease.
All right, killer number 1 is a weak hero section. The hero section is the very first thing people see when they land. And honestly, relying on just the product name for your main headline, it's a massive mistake most store owners make. The product name alone just doesn't do the heavy lifting required in that critical 8-second window.
And this comparison brilliantly illustrates exactly why. A bad headline just says luxury bamboo pillow. Well, that's just a thing, right? It doesn't tell me why I desperately need it. But a good headline, wake up without neck pain, guaranteed. See the difference? Your headline absolutely must state the transformation, not just the product. You aren't selling bamboo, you are selling a pain-free morning. That instantly answers the question, is this for me?
Moving right along to killer number 2, having no social proof above the fold. Remember that first subconscious question, can I trust the store? Well, burying your glowing reviews all the way down at the absolute bottom of the page is pretty much useless. If they bounce in 8 seconds, they never even see them. You need star ratings, review counts, and actual photo reviews visible before the visitor even has to think about scrolling. That is exactly how you establish instant trust.
And killer number 3, no urgency or reason to buy today. A naked Add to Cart button just sitting there by itself provides exactly 0 urgency. If you give folks no reason to act right now, well, the result is no sale, period. You need elements like a simple countdown, a low stock indicator, or maybe a limited bundle offer. But a quick warning on this. Do not make it fake. Consumers see right through fake timers. Make the urgency real, but make absolutely sure it's there.
Section 2. The three-step fix. The conversion cure.
So the really crucial point here is that just knowing the killers isn't nearly enough. We need the cure. Here's a high-level overview of the exact blueprint used by top scaling agencies to repair these broken pages. Step 1. Rewrite your headline. Step 2. Add a trust strip. And Step 3. Build a buy now offer. Let's break down exactly how you can execute each of these on your own store today.
Okay, step 1 is fixing that incredibly weak hero section. And we actually have a literal formula for you to use. Seriously, write this down. Your new headline needs to be the desired outcome plus the time frame plus without the main pain point. This completely shifts the focus from boring product features to the customer's actual transformation.
Let's actually see this in action so it's completely tangible. Here's the example. Get clear skin in 14 days without changing your diet. Boom. Desired outcome, clear skin. Time frame, 14 days. Pain point avoided, changing your diet. Instantly, the customer knows exactly what the transformation is and why it's meant specifically for them.
Now for step 2, the trust strip. To instantly fix that lack of social proof, you need to place a single, highly impactful line of trust elements right below your brand new header, completely above the fold. This strip should include known logos, your total review count, and clear guarantees. Just one single line on your page, but man, it has a massive impact on answering, "Can I trust this store?"
And step 3, fixes are urgency killer. You absolutely have to build a reason to buy now offer. We're talking things like a bundle discount, maybe a free gift with the order, or even a 48-hour price lock. These need to be highly visible, and they need to be real offers. This is what actually gives the buyer that necessary psychological push to click add to cart today rather than putting it off until next week.
Section 3. The proof. The 11-day transformation.
Let's move on and see how all of this builds into actual real-world results. Set the scene with me for a second. We have a real skincare brand client who, for months, was just completely trapped. They had tons of high-intent traffic coming into their store, but their sales were just abysmal. They were totally stuck at a tiny 0.4% conversion rate. All of that amazing traffic effectively just going to waste.
So what did they do? They applied the exact framework we literally just walked through. They didn't change the actual product, and they didn't even change their traffic sources. First, they rewrote their hero headline using that transformation formula. Second, they moved 3 solid reviews right above the fold to establish that instant trust. And third, they added a free glow serum with Orders Today banner to create a real, tangible reason to buy right now.
And guys, here is the dramatic result. Before the framework, they were sitting at that 0.4% conversion rate. After applying these tweaks, in just 11 days, their conversion rate absolutely skyrocketed to 3.8%. I mean, think about the kind of overnight revenue transformation that represents. It was the exact same traffic and the exact same product. The literal only difference was a better communicating page that finally solved their offer-market mismatch.
Which leaves us with this final, absolutely vital question for you to consider today. What is your store telling visitors in those first 8 seconds? Are you successfully answering their 3 subconscious questions? Or are those silent killers actively driving your traffic away? I highly challenge you to go look at your site today through this exact lens. And hey, if you want some expert eyes to help you hunt down your own conversion killers, definitely check the link in the description for a free store audit. It's completely free, there's no pitch, just pure clarity to help you scale the right way. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer, and keep learning.